I like it. I like it. I like it. I like it. I'm so happy that I liked it. I was thinking I wasn't going to like it. I like it. What's up, you guys? Yes, this is your wing lady, and I'm back today with another banging video. Like, hi guys, how are you doing? I hope you're doing good. As you can see, I'm doing really, really good, and I'm so excited because it's a haul video. And you know how I get about hauls, and you know how I feel when I unbox perfumes and I come to smell it for the very first time in front of you guys. So excited. So guys, I dived into the Middle Eastern, Arabian scents this time around, and let us see what I got. So I got this Inta HAYATI perfume. I'm not quite sure of the manufacturer. Is it Asdaf or it's definitely not Latafa? Okay, it's Al Shuyuk. The name of the company is Al Shuyuk. So this is Inta HAYATI for women. If you've tried it, let me know. That was number one. Then I got Opulent Musk. Finally, I've been wanting this perfume for a while, and something just kept stopping me from buying it. I don't know. Finally, I have it today, and we're unboxing it together. I have to see what the hype is all about. Hey, then I have this Musuf. This tiny blue Musuf. This one is called Musuf Lux. This is the blue one. Okay, there's a blue one, there's a red one, there's a green one, and there's a brown one. I bought the brown one and the green one. That's Musuf Ramadi and the brown Musuf. Then I'm yet to get the red one. This is the blue one. I couldn't find a red one. I've not gotten that too. Then guess what? I have Yaqeen. Yes, you guys, I really can't wait to see how this one smells because I've heard a lot of stuff about Yaqeen. I'm like, is it really worth the hype? Now, this is Andaleeb. Yes. You know what we hear about Andaleeb being a clone of Scandal by JPG? We're gonna find out. And guess the last but not the least. Guys, Yara! Oh my god, this perfume is so hyped up and people say it's for a good reason. So let's start unboxing. Which one do we unbox first? Well, let's start with this one. This is Inta HAYATI by Al Shuyuk. Now you just open this like so. I'm taking the easy way out. Guys. So, I love to unbox. I love to unbox. Ooh, I like the sound of that. Oh, it sounds so new. Yes. 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 Who else likes the sound of this? Like a relaxing ASMR. So, how does Inta HAYATI smell? Okay. Okay, wow. The packaging is really nice. Look. Whoa, that is so pretty. Whoa. Wow. First impressions. This is easily rosy and fruity. Sweet, rosy, and fruity. It smells almost exactly the same as Rose Midnight by Fragrance World. I'm going to leave a picture on the screen for you guys. It smells almost exactly like that. But it's kind of mild. It's not too loud, but it smells like roses, sweetness, and fruitiness. I like it. I like it. I like it. I like it. Next, let's check this blue Musuf. Okay, guys. Oh, wow. It's pretty. This is Musuf Lux. Let's check this one out. The alcohol is a bit much. Let me fix this while we wait. I don't like this one. Honestly, it smells like Nima. You know those new fragrance-filled Bodacia perfumes that I reviewed? It smells like Nima, almost exactly like Nima. But then it is a lot more fresher and creamier. I don't like it. This is Musuf Luxe. Musuf Ramadi still remains my favorite out of all the Musufs. I don't like this one. Next, let us check out Opulent Musk. I've heard so much about Opulent Musk by Latafa. Oh my god. I've been wanting this for like, I can't remember how long. Unboxing! Yes! How does Opulent Musk smell like? God, I hope I'm not disappointed. The box is velvety. I love it. It's saying luxury. It's giving luxury. Oh, the bottle! It's so cute! Oh my god! Look at this bottle! Guys, this is so cute. This is cute bottle. Because what? I like it. I like it. Now, the smell. Let it dry down, let it dry down. I love you. The bottle is so good. Alcohol. What I just smelled. This is Baccarat Rouge. This is a musky version of Baccarat Rouge 540. Guys, it is true. It is true that this smells like Baccarat Rouge. Okay. It is true. This is giving me the Baccarat Rouge 540 vibes. Like, unmistakably. You don't need to wonder. Wow. A lot of musk in there though. So I'm thinking this is like the musky version of Baccarat. It does smell opulent. It does smell. I like it. I like it. This is Baccarat with 540 vibes. The hype is real. I mean, Baccarat with 540. I never mistake that smell. Oh, yes. Okay. I'm happy. So far, I'm happy. I'm happy. This is Yaqeen. This is Yaqeen by Astaf. Let's just unbox this baby together. Unbox this baby. Now is a really great time to like this video. It is also a really great time to subscribe. Subscribe to this channel. You want to see more, you definitely have to subscribe. Why are you watching and not subscribing? Not fair. Just subscribe. It takes literally 10 seconds, 1 second, and it's absolutely free. So please do me a favor, go on and subscribe. This is Asdaf Yaqeen. Whoa. Oh my god. The bottle. This is divine. Whoa. I thought I liked Opulent Musk bottle. This one is knocking my pants off. Whoa. Middle Eastern perfume houses are dope. Their bottles are to die for. What is this? What is this beauty? What is this luxury? What? I like you. Let us see how you smell. Okay. The atomizer is not very, but I'm interested in the smell of the juice, not the atomizer. It projects. Wow. Would you believe me if I told you that this is greenish and it smells like honey. Those two notes are something that I never thought I could smell in a perfume. This is kind of green. It is powdery. It is sweet. It is honey. But it smells green. Like green, like grass. Wow, I need to read the notes because what is this? I'm not sure I'm going to like this, but let me give it time. It's green and sweet in a feminine way. Have you ever had a feminine perfume that's green? Whoa, whoa, whoa. I'm coming back with a review for you guys. You guys just let me know right now. Type it down in the comment section. Which one of these perfumes do you want me to review first so I can get right to it and get right to the, I have to wait. Hey, I have to wait for a good while before I come back with a review video for you guys. So just tell me right now, which one do you want to see the review of first so that I can get to it? And this is Andaleeb. Oh, yes. This is Andaleeb by Asda. This makes me so happy. You guys will not understand. This is therapeutic for me. I mean, unboxing perfumes, it's so therapeutic. I'm seriously glad that you guys like it as much as I do. Now, this is Andaleeb. This is the supposed dupe for Scandal by Jean-Paul Gaultier. What is going on? Oh. Okay. Wow. These bottles just keep blowing my mind because what on earth is this heavy, luxurious topper? Look, it is so pretty in real life. This is not doing it justice at all. Wow. Huh? Middle Eastern brands. You guys, if you're not plugged onto any this is the time to jump right on that train because what? Now you have to go straight down here. I really hope I like this one. I hope I do. Oh, wow. I sprayed quite a bit. Oops. This doesn't have that burst of alcohol, so it's a quality perfume. I like it. I like it. I like it. I like it. I'm so happy that I liked it. I was thinking I wasn't going to like it. I like it. Honestly, to me, this is better than the Scandal that I smelled. I have Scandal by night, and I know it's an intense version of Scandal, but this is better. This is fruity, sweet, honey. It is not too much. And it is so freaking sweet. This is like Berries Weekend. It leans towards Berries Weekend Pink Edition. It is drippy, syrupy, sweet. Like, sweet. Goma, if you don't like sweet scents, this is not for you. This is sweet. I'm so glad I like this one. I'm too excited. I'm so glad I like it. I like it, yes. This is addicting. Yes, baby, I like it. Next, this is Yara. This is Yara by Latafa. This is Latafa. I'm excited about this one, but I'm just gonna wait. I'm not gonna show too much excitement until I actually smell the juice. Show too much excitement, which is so hard to do. Oh man, guys, don't you just love unboxing with wing lady? Okay. Oh, this is such a nice pink packaging. Oh my god, this is pretty. None of these bottles have disappointed me so far. This is so beautiful. This is so beautiful. Like, these bottles are to die for. These bottles are pretty. These are expensive looking bottles. Wow. Okay. Let's spray this one. I think here. Okay. 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 Hmm. Interesting. This smells powdery, sweet, yummy, nutty. This one is for classy, mature women. Andaleeb is for something like everybody, like any baby girl can wear Andaleeb, but this one is sort of, it has this element of class in there. Like a calm, reserved, rich boss lady. Guys, this was such a successful haul. I am so happy. Yes. Guys, subscribe right now, like my videos. Let me know which one of these you want me to review ASAP so that I can get into it. Guys, thank you so much for watching up until this level. I love you so much. You know, do the thing, like the video, watch other videos and all of that, and I'll be back again with another smashing video. But until next time, ciao.